Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we receive an update for our Huawei Health app, and of course, one of the added function for the Huawei Band 7 is the quick reply option, as you can see here. Okay, so with this one, you can reply directly from your Huawei Band 7. Okay, with the custom messages here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have okay, yes, thanks, no thanks, great, okay, thanks, see you soon, almost there, sorry I'm busy, and no. You can also add your own quick reply, so at least 36 character is available. Okay, so let us say okay, okay, I will be there, my love. So cheesy. Okay, with a, let's say, let's add some smileys here. Can we add? Okay, it's not possible. Okay, again. Okay, I will be there, my love. Okay, as you can see here, then you can set or you can arrange it in order. You can see here, so you have a quick reply option available for your Huawei Band 7. It works with SMS messaging and app notifications, I think. Okay, but of course, before you can set your app notifications, okay, enable it first here, okay, in your settings. So let us say Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Viber, and what else? Okay, if you have WhatsApp, of course, you can also set it here. Okay, so turning this on, activating this on, okay, enables your Huawei Band 7 to receive app notifications. And of course, you can also send messages directly to for example, Messenger, okay, WhatsApp, and other social messaging app. Okay, so that's it for the quick reply. Okay, so we're going to have a demo. So let's start and try to have a demo of the quick reply or quick messaging feature of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so we have here our device. So let's start and check whether we can send messages via SMS or in our demonstration messenger with the quick reply option of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so let's have a demo of the quick messaging reply function of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, it has been added to the latest update for the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so this device, we already connected it to another smartphone. Okay, and hopefully we can receive notifications, okay, when we send the messages to the phone. Okay, to the number. Okay, so we have here, okay, our device. So let's compose the message here. Already type it earlier. So hello, how are you? Okay, we will send it via SMS messaging. Okay, and hopefully we will receive it here in our, will be notified here in our Huawei Band 7. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, so we have here a notification. Okay, we have a demo message from demo message. Okay, let's have a closer look. So hello, how are you? Okay, so you have an option to either reply, okay, with these smileys, as you can see here. Okay, let's go back again to the notifications. Okay, so you have an option to reply using smileys here, or you can use the quick reply here, messages. So we have okay, yes, thanks, no thanks, great, Okay, thanks. See you soon. Almost there. Sorry, and I'm busy. No. Okay. So let's try. Okay. Let us say. Okay. Let's reply great here. Okay. Okay. We send great. So let's see. Okay. So we received the message here. Great. Okay. So as you can see here, we accidentally sent a smiley here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so it works with the SMS messaging here, the quick reply option. What if we want to use a Facebook Messenger? Does it work with the app notifications? Okay, as long as it has the notification feature or the notification permission for the app is activated in your Huawei Band 7 or Huawei Health, you can also send messages using your messenger and use the quick reply option here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, as you can see, we are done with the SMS messaging. So this time, let's try the Facebook Messenger. Can we send a message? We'll receive a notification here. And of course, use also the quick reply to send messages. Okay, so let's try. Okay, already have a message here. So how are you? Let's meet. Okay, so I'm going to send it here. This is my Facebook Messenger. So let's try and we'll see if we will receive a message here. Okay, as you can see here, we receive a message here. Okay, so how are you? Let's meet. Okay, I only sent it once, but as you can see here, I received two. Okay, that's okay. So let's check. Okay, can we have a quick reply option here? Okay, okay, so we have an option to reply here. Okay, again, so you have an option also for uh, smileys and of course messages here. Okay, so let's reply here. Let's send see you soon. Okay, okay, and as you can see here, we receive the message. So a very useful function for the quick reply feature of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so it is recently added to the Huawei Health app. So if your account or if your app or your wearable still don't have that feature, just update your Huawei Health app. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye.